Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing fine. So if you are new to my channel, then please go on subscribe it and press the bell icon for any new and updated video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can get free games from Epic Store. So first of all you need to do is to install Epic Game Launcher from its official website, and after signing in into this you can see such a interface. So guys, as some of you may know that Epic Store has been generous for some months. I think from last month, and they are releasing some of old games for free on every Thursday. And here you can see they have given us Borderlands 2 and Grand Theft Auto 5 and some Civilization 6 game. So I hope they keep us giving these games, and so I hope they keep releasing some of their games for free on every Thursday. So today's game is Overcooked. I don't know, I haven't played and I haven't heard about this game before. So I'm gonna show you how you can get free. All you need to do is to click on it, and this will be some interface here. Here it is. It's free, so click on get. Okay, wait for it. Come on. Okay, it is loading our order. Okay, here click on verify your information, place order. Okay, here click on place order, confirmation order, confirming order. Okay, thank you, an email receipt has been sent to you. So now I am I have on this game, and it has been included in my library, I think somewhere here, Overcooked. Now if you want to install any of these games, all you need to do is to click on them, then they will start to install into your PC or whatever system you are using. So I hope guys this video was helpful. So any other helpful video you can also check out my channel after subscribing it, and I hope to see you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.